You're bad for me. I clearly get it. I don't see how something good could come from loving you. The death of me must be your mission. 'Cause with every hug and kiss, you're snatching every bit of strength that I'm gonna need to fight off the inevitable. 'Cause it's a heartbreaking situation I'm up in, but I can't control. You're just like poison, slowly moving through my system, breaking all of my defenses with time. You're just like poison, and I just don't get it. How could something so deadly feel so right? I'm not sure what to do. It's a catch-22, 'cause my cure is found in you. I don't want it, but I do. You just